you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Marrol. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. So today, kind of just want to hang, you know, do some makeup. I just want to do like a really pretty eye look, you know? No like crazy colors. I just want to like have a pretty eye look on. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start with my base. Oh, my hands are so dry, dude. Terrible, terrible, terrible trash. Currently nothing on my skin, so we are going to moisturize because my skin in general is just so fucking dry. It's awful. Taking some of my Ren Skincare Global Protection Day Cream. 1 pump of that, and then I'm also going to take some of my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. It has like a little spatula, so I just do like 1 scoop with the spatula. Mix them together. And then put the rest on the back of my hands. And honestly, the front of my hands. My hands are so dry. It's fucked. And take some extra eye hydration and use the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Ooh, I'm actually gonna go give my sponge a quick wash. Be right back. I'm gonna go in with our Kaja Catnap Under Eye Brightener. Now we're taking our It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. Same shit, different day. Mostly. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. This is in the shade 19. I haven't used this one for a while. I thought I would bring it back out. Alright, next up we are using our Tarte Seychelles bronzer. Breezy Cream Bronzer. Alright, next up we're going to take our Rare Beauty Foundation in the shade 170W. Now, I think I don't need as much as I used in my last video. I think I used quite a bit, so go in with a bit less today. Does it look like less, or does it look like the same? I feel like I put less. I don't know. Time for some blush now. We're taking the Nesting Bitch Face palette and we're using Hush Blush. Now we're going to take our Milk Makeup, what is this? Glimmer Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Just like a little cheek tint. I'm going to set my under eyes with my Pat McGrath powder. Maybe I'll try a powder highlight today. Maybe I'll go in with this same palette that we used the blush in and give this a shot. This one right here, just a bit, because it's called Glimmers of BS. That's the skin all finished. Now we're going to move over to the eyes. Today I wanted to use this palette. I got this a while ago, but I haven't used it yet. It's the ColourPop Going Coconuts palette, and it's super cute, just like a really nice neutral palette. So there's like a pale skin tone shadow that looks like it could be a good one for me, but it's kind of shimmery, so no thank you. Why does this have to be shimmery? I don't want it. So I'm gonna go in with Coolada, and right here is called Coolada. And we're going to run that through the crease. pretty color. Nice little transition color. Next, we're gonna go in with this one right here, which is called Shell Yeah. And I think we'll define the crease with this one. Going back in with the first brush, taking a tiny little dip. And now we're just going to take a tiny bit of this deep brown here, which is called Nutty. Give some depth in the outer corner here. That's the eye so far. I'm gonna catch this one up and I'll be right back. Alright, I think we will do the bottom lash line and then we'll finish off the top of the eyes, the lids. So I'm just basically taking all three of those colors again and just smoking them into the bottom waterline, bottom lash line. Wow, that looks so nice. I love it. I am loving this eye look. All right, time for a shimmer. Let's find one that I think will look good. Right, I think I'm going to go in with this one in the middle, the very center shade, which is called Coco Crush. It just looks really like what I want. Definitely got follow, but that's pretty. And I go balls to the walls and just do some liner, why not? I'm taking my Glossier Pro Tip Liner. I'm gonna aim for a small little baby line, but anything's possible. Feeling some brown bottom waterline liner, so we're gonna do that. And this is my Elise Wattier liner. Hey, time for some lashes. Oh my god, you guys, this is so exciting. So this girl that I went to high school with, her name is Arsh. She's also a makeup artist and she's come out with a bunch of lashes, and she brought over a bunch of lashes for me the other day, and like now I have all these beautiful lashes to try out. So yeah, I have no idea which ones to use because they are literally all so stunning. Give me 7 pairs of lashes. Look at all of these. These are all the names, and they're stunning. What am I feeling today, dude? Okay, I'm gonna just show you all of them because why the fuck not? So these ones are called Blair. These ones are Allure. These ones are called Kate. These ones are called Lively. These ones are called Carrie. These ones are Posh. And these ones are called Aisha. So thank you so much to Arsh for giving me all these lashes. They are so stunning. Her Instagram is called Allure by Arsh. I'll leave it here for you. You can go check her out. She's really, really good. And she also gave me a discount code for you guys to buy some lashes if you want. I don't think I get any royalty or like kickbacks from it, but if you want to save some money on some beautiful lashes, the code is Marrol20. How exciting is that? That's so cool. So thank you so much, Arsh, for dropping these off for me. I am so excited. But yeah, so let's put on some lashes here. Oh my god, these are so pretty. There's so many options. I don't know which ones to choose. They're all so beautiful. I am gonna go with the style Posh. I'm gonna pop these on. I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on. These lashes are insane. They're super pretty. I trimmed them a little bit. Ooh, but I think I need to trim them more. I think I want to add a bit of an inner corner highlight. Just feel like it would be so pretty. We are almost done. I need to put on some lip to kind of match these lashes. They're so long and pretty. Right, I'm gonna go in and line my lips with this Ben Nye pencil. Nutmeg. Maybe I'll give it a little sharpen first. Now I'm taking my Tower 28 lip jelly in almond. Alright, time for some setting spray. I'm going to take the Tarte Maracuja Mist, Maracuja Miracle Mist. How do I feel about this lip combo? With this look. I mean, I love the combo, but... Alright, you guys, this is today's final look. I like it. I don't think I love the lips, though. I'm gonna blot a bit off. And put some of this Tarte times Whitney Simmons Bare Bud. Alright, there we go. I like this more. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you so much to Arsh. These lashes are super pretty and I have so many styles. I can't wait to like try them all on. These ones are super, super pretty and these are in the shade, these are in the style Posh. So thank you so much to Arsh for giving me all these lashes. I am so fucking stoked. They're so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and give this video a little like if y'all liked it, and share it if you so please. Here's my Instagram if you want to check me out there, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.